Don't take your eyes off me. Not even for a No, I can eat. So before I eat, I want to.
Yo, welcome back guys. Today we bring to you this wonderful and interesting Nigerian Nollywood movie, King of Lamba. The part 1 of this movie is out already and we are here to let you guys know when this part 2 of it will be dropping. But before we proceed guys, in case this is your first time coming across this particular channel, please we would like you all to go and subscribe. For this channel focuses more on our Nigerian Nollywood movies, so do subscribe, turn on your post notification for more updates, or let's say for more related content. So guys, on this movie we're talking about today, this title of this movie again is King of Lamba, and as you all know, this movie is out already. The part 1 of it is out already, and this movie is very interesting. Like, this movie is mad. So in case you haven't seen it at all, let's say this is your first time coming across it, please do wait to go check it out. Go check out the part 1 of this movie, and then if you check it out, you can then come here to know when this part 2, or let's say to come and check when this part 2 of it will be dropping. Though I will be telling you guys when it will be dropping, but that will be at the last 10 seconds of this video. So please make sure you watch this video to the very end, so you will get to know date and time when this part 2 of this movie King of Lamba will be dropping. Like, if actually there will be a part 2 of it, you will get to know at the ending of this video. So do wait to watch till ending, so you will get to know when this part 2 of it will be dropping. But before we proceed guys, I want to know what you think about this movie. Like, depending on how this movie ended, depending on how the part 1 of this movie ended, what are you expecting in the part 2 of this movie? Like I said earlier, in case you haven't watched it at all, I said you haven't seen it at all, please do it to go check it out. For this movie is very interesting. Like, all the actors and actresses in this particular movie, they nailed their role perfectly. Like, they did well. They did a great job in this movie. I'm rating this movie 10 over 10. I don't know about you. Yeah, I'm rating this movie 10 over 10. So I would like to know what you're rating this movie. Like, I would like to know what you think about this movie. Tell us what you think about this movie. Who's your favorite actor in this movie? Who's your favorite actress in this movie? And tell us what you're expecting next in this movie. Like, tell us what you are expecting to see in the part 2 of this movie. Like, there will be a part 2 of it. And again, like I said earlier, in case this is your first time coming across this particular channel, please do wait to go and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, so that whenever we drop any video, let's say any update, you will get notified and go check it out to go get yourself entertained. Because right in this particular channel, we're giving you guys more updates on all Nigerian movies, be it any Nigerian Nollywood movie. We'll be giving you guys the updates right here, both Igbo and Yoruba. We're giving you guys all the updates right on this particular channel. So for you not to miss out with any of it at all you need to do is to go now and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, so that whenever we drop any video, let's say any update, you will go check it out to go get yourself entertained. So guys, about this part 2 of this movie, yeah, this part 2 of this movie, I don't know yet. I don't know the exact date when it will be dropping, but trust me guys, whenever this part 2 of this movie is ready, I'm gonna let you guys know. And in that case, for you not to miss out with the part 2 of it whenever it's ready, all you need to do is to go now and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, so that whenever we drop any updates about the part 2 of this movie, you will get notified and go check it out. Or let's say you will get notified and wait for it to drop, so that you don't miss out on this movie guys. If you miss out on this movie, if you sleep on this movie, that means you are really missing a lot. Like, this movie is very interesting and educative. Trust me guys, you won't ever regret watching it. So in case you haven't subscribed yet, please do it to go and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, so that whenever we drop any video, let's say any update, you will go check it out to go get yourself entertained. See you guys in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your loved ones, like and comment, tell us what you think about this movie.